Hello everyone. It's nice to see you again. In today's lesson, we will learn how to ask for permission and how to ask for help in the classroom. Let's begin. What is permission? Well, it's asking someone if you are allowed to do something. How do we ask our teacher for permission? Go ahead.
May I come in?
Excellent permission question. Can you think of some more?
May I use the washroom, please? You could also say, may I go to the washroom, please?
You are right. Let's think of some more permission questions.
May I sharpen my pencil, please?
Very good.
May I borrow a pencil, please?
Great work. We always say please to be polite. Let's move on. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you think of a permission question you can ask your teacher or someone else around you? Go ahead. I'm listening. You can start with may I or can I. Go ahead. Great work. Don't forget to say please at the end of your question. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. May I come in, please? Go ahead. I'm listening. May I go to the washroom, please? Can I do a question on the board? I can't hear you. Louder, please. Well done. Next, let's look at what we can say to ask our teacher for help. What do you guys think?
Can you repeat that, please?
That's right. Great work.
Can you help me, please?
Excellent.
Can you explain that again, please?
Very good. Great work. You are amazing. Let's think of some more ways we could ask our teacher for help in a classroom.
What question are we on?
Excellent question.
What page are we on?
That's a good question too. Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after me. Can you repeat that, please? Go ahead. I'm listening. You can also say, can I get some help, please? Let's hear you say it. Can I get some help, please? Great work. You can also say, can you explain that again, please? I can't hear you. Louder, please. That's it. You got it. That is all for today. You did great. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know the difference between permission and help. I can ask my teacher for permission. I can ask my teacher for help.